And 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, this is Spartan here, and today I'm going to show you how to install mods to Forge 1.12. Making an updated video instead of just adding new links to my old one because of the fact that, hang on, I believe my sister is coming to check out what I am doing, and no, she has ran away. Okay, but because Minecraft changed its launcher since 1.10, and I kind of wanted to make you think she's coming back this way, and nope, she's gone. So the new Minecraft launcher looks something like this ugly thing. I hate it. Don't ask me why. Okay, but so in order to put some mods, you got to download some mods. Hopefully, I already made a pack, Spartan mod pack, whatever. I made 3 different versions. One that should just be able to amplify your client side experience with like visual things as the chunks load differently and stuff like that with Optifine. And if you find something else that you can use, put it on there. One for admins, or if you just play on single player. Do not use that on vanilla. We are good at catching you. We'll catch you. You'll get banned. You can't use me as an excuse. But I put a warning in here, so that's a thing. Alright. Basically, we have 3 links. One for Forge Client, Admin, and Forge Client Admin Lite. Admin Lite is for admins who have potato computers and can't run all the fancy things I put in. Alright, so download one. Say this. I'm going to do admin because I'm admin. We aren't allowed to use these in single player survival. We have to take them off when we do it. So, thing. So you go to where your downloads are, and you're going to want to right click on this and unzip. I use 7-zip for unzipping my things. I like it. I like 7-zip. So you open up that folder, and you have a bunch of files. All these mods except this one. This one is Forge. You need Forge in order to run your mod. So you double click on it to run it. It's just a Java run program. Yep, I right clicked it. I have my push to talk on my mouse in a second. There we go. Okay, so it's going to install client. And Miraculous, this is basically a thing that lets them look at how it runs, and it lets them see the thing to increase performance and fix any bugs, and it helps them out. So I figured why not use it. For me, because I do so many things with mods, with not just this, but I made mod packs in the past and stuff like that. So yeah, hit OK, it does a thing, bar goes away, gives that. Then you're gonna need to reload your launcher. And the way that I like to do this is go to your launch options. There'll be one that probably says Forge or something. Let's just say I already renamed mine to Forge 1.2 because I like renaming them to the versions in case I go back and play other versions, which I never do. So you name it, and the version, not virgin, okay. So you're going to want to find the one that says Release 1.12, Forge 1.12, yada 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 yada, 2406. 2406 at the end. So I have this one, 2260. Oh no, that's 1.2. 23 to 2, and 2406 is what you want. It's the one that will not crash with Optifine. And normally this is grayed out because it runs it in your .minecraft folder. However, this makes it a pain in the butt for when you want to run other mods or other mod packs. So I changed the game. Normally over here at the end of this, it's .minecraft. I changed mine to .1.12.modded because I liked it. Also, I'm not sure if I actually changed it to that, so let me. Ooh, yikes. I don't remember exactly what I named it, and I don't want to waste data space. So okay. 1.1.12_mod. Okay, so you do that, and I'm going to assume that since Minecraft supposedly has its own Java now, that they were good enough to make it so if you have a 64-bit computer, you can actually use more than just a single stick of your RAM. So you're going to want to go to click JVM arguments, and normally never change any of that unless you know what you're doing. This normally says 1G. I changed it to 2G because I have 12 gigabytes of RAM and my computer can run it. Example: you have 8 gigabytes of RAM, and you try and run it with 4. No, it's using too much. Your Minecraft it doesn't know how to use that much, and your computer will bog down and it won't be enough for background processes and to have enough free space. You don't want to do that. I would suggest never using more than a third of your total RAM. So if, let's say you have 4 gigabytes of RAM, maybe like 1.5G. You can actually use 1.5G. If you want to use 1.5G, you have to do 1500M. And you're all Minecraft players. I've talked about that before. You should know what you're doing. Hit save. So now you go over, you select your Forge 1.12, and you launch it. I have this thing running. Ignore this. You don't really need it. I had it because it crashed, and I wanted to figure out what made it crash. Dooby 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 doo. Dooby 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 doo. Dooby 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 doo. Dooby 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 doo. Ta-da! Thing is, it says 4 mods loaded. That's just like the Forge launcher and the things that it uses to launch mods. You have no mod. So then you close it. Because once you do that, you can start adding your mods in. To do that, you got to navigate to your app data folder. You can either do Windows key plus R to open this run command window, and do %sign app data %, and it'll open up your app data roaming folder, and then your .minecraft will be here, and your .1.12_modded will be there. Or do it the hard way, like I always do it, because I'm a scrub. You open up Windows, go to your OS, your C drive, user, your name, app data. That's not always there. If you can't see that, it's a hidden file. You have to go to view, and this one, hidden items and file name extensions. You check them. I like file name extensions just because it helps me figure out what everything is, and hidden items for stuff like that. App data, Rome, and 1.12 mods. Then you go to your mods. Normally this will not be there. This is mine. It has my backup for mods. It doesn't run anything that's inside of this folder. See, that's where I keep everything. So then, you go to your download. I'm going to make a new one. Go to that folder that has all the mods. You don't need these two. Copy, paste. Boom. And then you can close that. shoot, I was going to show you guys how to install resource pack too. For resource pack, this thing doesn't carry over any of your resource packs or servers or options or your servers. So you're going to want to go over here to your .minecraft and copy these following files. Those ones. And if you want more, you can also do the ta-da. And you copy those and drop them straight into your 1.12 folder, because those don't carry over. But to install resource packs, you go to resource packs and drop a zip file in. Once I update my resource pack to 1.12, then I'll put a link in there and you can download it and put it in. Nothing will have changed from 1.11 except I think I have to manually rework the way the inventory menu looks, because apparently it's new in 1.12. I don't know, I haven't played much of 1.12. But since you don't use crafting tables anymore, now you got a recipe book, I think. Again, I haven't played 1.12. So yeah, I gotta do things. Anyway, go back to here. Here, I mean. And it's selected to 1.12 for the play. Ba-do-ba-do-do-do-do. Scatman. Dum-ba-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum. Dum-da-dum-dum. Dum-ba-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum. Dum-da-dum-dum. I'm the Scatman. Dum-ba-dum-dum-dum-dum. Dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum. There we go. Don't ask. And there you have it. You got it loaded. You got your things. These are the mods. It tells you what to do. Options. You got 5 zig because I got the full thing. You got controls. You got the Optifine video setting. You got, what else do we have? There's more somewhere. There's a thing somewhere. I think there's even one in your options menu. Anyway, you got it. That's the thing. Bye.